Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into a world where military strength meets luxury travel. This is the 2026 Toyota WarHawk 6x6 motorhome, a machine built not just to travel, but to dominate every terrain it touches. At first glance, the WarHawk doesn't look like a typical motorhome. It looks like a rolling fortress. Finished in a bold military BARF color, with matte army green tones and tactical detailing, this vehicle is designed to feel powerful, aggressive, and completely unstoppable. Every angle of the WarHawk speaks the language of strength, from its armored body panels to its massive six-wheel drive stance. The 6x6 system is the heart of this beast. With 6 oversized off-road tires and extreme ground clearance, the WarHawk can conquer deserts, mountains, snowfields, and broken terrain without hesitation. Whether you're crossing remote borders or exploring untouched wilderness, this motorhome is engineered to keep moving when others are forced to stop. From the side profile, the WarHawk looks long, muscular, and perfectly balanced. Heavy-duty suspension absorbs shocks effortlessly, while reinforced side panels and military-grade storage compartments ensure durability in extreme conditions. This is not just a camper, it's a survival-ready expedition vehicle. Move to the rear, and the WarHawk becomes even more intimidating. Dual spare tires, tactical storage boxes, jerry cans, and a reinforced rear bumper give it a mission-ready appearance. Roof-mounted equipment, antennas, and a rear ladder emphasize that this motorhome is built for long-range, off-grid travel where self-reliance is everything. But the real surprise begins when you step inside. The interior of the 2026 Toyota WarHawk 6x6 is where rugged military design blends seamlessly with premium comfort. The color theme continues inside with olive green, dark tones, and black accents, creating a serious yet luxurious atmosphere. Armored-style wall panels are softened with premium padding, while integrated LED lighting adds a modern, high-tech feel. The living space is wide, open, and intelligently designed. Modular seating offers comfort during long journeys, and every surface feels solid, secure, and purpose-built. Storage cabinets are reinforced, using metal latches inspired by military equipment, ensuring nothing moves even on the roughest trails. The kitchen area is compact but fully equipped, featuring matte black appliances, a modern cooktop, a rugged sink, and cleverly hidden storage. Everything is designed to function efficiently, whether you're parked in the wild or deep into an expedition. The sleeping area offers a level of comfort rarely seen in off-road motorhomes. A large, premium bed with a reinforced frame, ambient lighting, and blackout curtains ensures complete rest after demanding journeys. Overhead storage compartments provide safety and organization without sacrificing space. Even the bathroom follows the WarHawk's philosophy. It's compact, tough, and practical, with anti-slip flooring, a secure shower, rugged fixtures, and water-efficient systems designed for long-term off-grid living. What truly sets the 2026 Toyota WarHawk apart is its identity. This motorhome is built for adventurers who don't want limits. It's for explorers who demand safety, power, and independence, without giving up comfort or style. In a world full of ordinary RVs, the WarHawk stands alone. It doesn't just travel roads, it creates its own path. The 2026 Toyota WarHawk 6x6 motorhome is not about luxury alone, and it's not just about strength. It's about absolute freedom.